I'm going to teach you how to create some of the best looking thumbnails that you can possibly do just with AI. So here's some of the ones that I've already made. Let's take a look at them. These are really good in my opinion. Let's open one up in big. We've got this one, super cool. This one, super cool. This one, super cool. And this one, super cool. So I'm going to teach you how to do this. First, you're going to need a free ChatGPT account, and you're going to need a prompt that I'll be putting in the description. You can just copy it. We're going to need to look for a map that is similar to the one that we want. A thumbnail, we're going to need to find a thumbnail that's similar to the one that we want. For example, let's say I want this bed walls picture, or I don't like that one so much. Let's find a tycoon. Okay, let's say I really like this one, and I'm also making a barber tycoon, right? All we need to do is copy this picture and put it inside the ChatGPT, and then we write something like this. I really like this image. Recreate it in the same style and vibe, keeping the 1920 by 1080 resolution, aka 16:9. You can just copy and paste this, it'll be in the comments. And then we would add a second image. So then we'd write, but replace the fish with we'd write whatever we want changing here. So replace the fish with Healy and remove the text, right? So then we'd just put that in. We'd obviously put in the second image, and we'd write, I really like this image, recreate it, keeping the same resolution, aka this. But changing, and then whatever you want changing / picture. Cool. You paste that all into your prompt, and you just have to wait for it to create an image here. I'll skip through this. Okay, looks like it's done. But it's nearly done at least. Guys, it took a while, but it's finally finished. As you can see, we got a really sweet photo from this. If you want something changed, we just write in, like, I don't know, make him angry, make the banana angry, make the peely angry, and give him an afro. This here could make it quite messed up, but we're just gonna find out. You see what I mean, guys? This is nowhere near as good. So try and give it all in the original prompt. But either way, it's pretty decent. This is how you do it. You can use it to basically take them one for one, or you can use it to customize and make it a bit more your own. Again, that's your choice. I have a Patreon with some stuff in there. Use credit code GISMO in the Fortnite item store. Subscribe to my channel. If you're an absolute beginner to creating maps, I have a link in the description that will also has a community where I'll be able to help you as well.